Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. And as many of you know, I'm currently in Mexico on vacation, but I still wanted to drop this video out to you guys to give you an update on how I'm doing with baked beans. So, yes, I know I've been a little bit quiet lately. It's because I've been on vacation, guys. I promise I'm still rebaking my beans. And as you can see here, I've hit over 10 billion beans, and these are my rewards for today. So today is a withdrawal day for me. So let me just refresh my screen to see what I've got going on here in terms of how much I have. All right, so 54 BNB. All right, so if you're new to the platform or you're new to my videos, Baked Beans is a smart contract where you invest, you deposit, stake your money into the contract, and in return, you get up to 8% per day on your staked amount. Your initial capital cannot be withdrawn, but if you compound daily, by the time you hit roughly about 35 days of straight compounding, you would be making more than your initial investment every single day. Okay, that's assuming that you're just rebaking for 35 days straight. If you are doing the 6-1 ratio where you rebake 6 days and then you withdraw 1 day, it'll take you just a little bit longer. But the key is that rebake daily, guys, because that will help you to hit your targets faster. Okay, so I rebake, multiple times throughout the day, and stay tuned to the end of the video because I've actually got something exciting for you to automate this process. I know most of you were, asking me, Alex, when is this going to be automated? When are we going to get? Anyway, the time has come. All right, so first just going to do a withdrawal video. So let me do a withdrawal right here. So let me refresh. So 54, 52. So all I'm gonna do is click on eat beans. Oh, hang on. Let me show you the value of that first. So let's take that figure and let's go to Google, type in BNB to USD. And that, my friends, is $22,000, 673. So $22,673. That's incredible, guys. Some of that is definitely from referral commissions, but I've been in this program for more than a month and a half now. And when I first started, I started with 3K, and I've been rebaking, daily. So I've been earning really good for my compounding, my capital as well. But I do get a nice boost from referrals as well. All right, so that's what I'm doing, man. This is an exciting program, exciting platform, pays out 12% on referrals. And, I'm really loving the platform. I love the team behind the platform, really good devs and owners, and a strong community. Everybody is doing the 6-1 where we're rebaking 6 days of the week and we're drawing 1 day of the week. So this is not even my full 24-hour cycle, guys. It's been roughly, let me see, 2 to 11, about 9. Yeah, a little shy of 24 hours. It hasn't even been 24 hours. So just imagine if I let this thing sit there for 24 hours, the number here would be even crazier. All right, so let me go ahead and eat my beans. All right. I deserve it. I've been rebaking hard all week, so confirm. All right, so let me do that. And within a moment here, very quick, this amount will go into my MetaMask wallet. So let's wait for that to happen. There we go. Boom. Look at that. And from here, I can then, pull it straight into my external wallet. So it's pretty easy to do from there. All right, so let's talk about the script now. I'm gonna show you how to set up the script, and I'm gonna give it to, anybody that requests a script. Let me know, and I'll give it to you. So I'll show you what it looks like. Just give me a second here. Okay, so this is what the config folder or file of the script looks like, and I'll show you how to set everything up. So this extension here is just a MetaMask extension, so leave that part alone. The rebake thresholds basically like how often you would like it to rebake at what point of rewards, basically. How much rewards do you need to collect before you want the script to rebake it for you, right? So here I've specified 0.10 BNB. So when my rewards are at 0.10 BNB or over, then it will rebake it for me. So when I run it, you get to see it in action there. And then yeah, the account that I have here, which is account one, which is a default MetaMask account naming convention. So account one. So I'll leave that alone. I'm not gonna change it unless you have renamed your account to something else. If you've given a personal nickname, then just make sure that this account has the name of it. See, I don't ask for any passwords or anything in this script, so I just want to make it as secure as possible. So I made sure that when it got coded, it got coded without asking for any, personal, security questions or passwords or phrases or anything like that. So none of that is required with this script. All right, so refresh time is just how often it should check to see if the threshold has been met for it to rebake. 300 seconds is 5 minutes, so it'll check every 5 minutes. The port, just leave that alone, don't touch that. And then leave a tip is optional. All it does is just it puts my referral link for the fresh bakes. So when you do like a fresh deposit, if you want to, give me a little bit of credit for it, you can just leave this to yes, and it'll give me some credit for it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So let me just run the script so that you can see it in action here. Okay, so I double click on the run file, and you can see that it's refreshing the page to check and see if my rewards are over 0.10, which it is. So it's going to rebake. I don't have to do anything, guys. Baked beans has been automated now. So see, it's done. It's done already. It's done. And it says wait in 300 seconds before it checks again. You can see that the transaction has been confirmed. So in 5 minutes, it'll check again to see if my rewards are above that threshold, and then it will rebake again automatically. So this is fully automated. You guys asked for it, and I've given it. So if you're looking for the script, message me on Telegram and be patient, guys, because it's my virtual assistant that'll be helping assisting you guys with the script. So please be patient. There's only one of her, and there's only so many people that she can get to. So if you don't get a message back from me right away, please give us some time to reply to you and get back to you. And for those that are not really technically savvy, again, I'll provide the walkthrough video of how to set up the script once you message me on Telegram. But if you're still not able to get it or get it going, my virtual assistant can also do it for you remotely. So if you need that assistance, just let her know and she will get that done for you. There is a small fee if you require that full installation assistance. Okay, but if you can do it yourself, great. If you require, then it'll just be 20 USDT if you want her to fully set up the script for you. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll keep it short and sweet, and hopefully you guys are excited about having this fully automated. And just rebaking often will help you to get more beans faster. So in a nutshell, it'll just push you, it'll basically drive your bean count to a crazy amount, because you're rebaking faster. It'll help it grow, more exponentially. Right, so that's the beauty of the game. So if you have any questions, link me on Telegram. And as always, God bless. Take care. Bye bye.